Eagles have been a symbol of war and imperial power since Babylonian times. They are hunting machines ready to pounce on their prey from miles away. As they say, don't play dead with the vulture. That's exactly what they want. These bald-headed birds feed on dead animals. Eagles don't eat like vultures, and vultures don't hunt like eagles. This is one fight that no one would like to miss. How would the vulture react in the face of the king of birds? Who would win when the two decide to fight? This is Mr. Jam Speaks, digging deeper into the psychology of these beasts to address this issue once and for all. The eagle is a heavy-beaked, big-footed bird belonging to the family of birds called Accipitridae. Eagles are known as the king of birds because of their dominance, sturdy structure, and excellent eyesight. There are more than 60 species of eagles across the globe. A few well-known species include the golden eagle, bald eagle, white-tailed eagle, Steller's eagle, and Philippine eagle. They are mostly found in Eurasia and Africa. Vultures, on the other hand, are carrion-eating birds of the families Accipitridae and Cathartidae. There are 23 species of vultures. Out of these, griffon vulture, black vulture, turkey vulture, and Egyptian vulture are the most common ones. Their habitat generally includes plains and savannas. However, some of the vultures prefer to live in open mountainous areas. This allows them to spot small carrions while they are soaring in the skies. Vultures are found on almost every continent except for Antarctica and Australia. An eagle has a fully feathered head and powerful feet equipped with great curved talons. Adult golden eagles are dark brown with a golden sheen on the back of the head and neck, while the bald eagles have dark brown feathers and yellow beaks. Vultures are significant sized birds with a huddle-over posture, and their feathers are often shaggy and loose compared to other birds. Vultures generally have dull brown or black appearance. Nonetheless, some species have pale underparts, heads or throats that are bright red or blue. The size of an eagle varies with the species. For example, bald eagle range from 90 to 100 cm, weighing 3 to 6.3 kilograms, while the golden eagle being 66 to 100 cm and weighing 3 to 7 kilograms. Same is the case with the fearsome vultures. For instance, the average size of the black vulture is from 56 to 74 centimeters, weighing 1.2 to 1.9 kilograms, while the griffon vulture is 95 to 110 centimeters in length, while weighing 6.5 to 11 kilograms. Eagles soar alone and are amongst the fastest flyers. The golden eagle is able to fly at a whopping 200 miles an hour and can dive up to 150 miles per hour. I can bet that this is faster than any of the cars you have ever driven. You can check out my video on supercars if you want to see the fastest cars out there. The link is on the top right corner. Other eagles that fly at amazing speeds are the steppe eagle that can fly at 180 miles an hour and the bald eagle that flies at an impressive speed of 100 miles an hour. This makes the escape of any prey next to impossible. Vultures are social birds which typically fly in flocks and can soar at 50 miles an hour. They have big wingspan and some have perfect vision, while others have a very keen sense of smell. With their strong sniffing ability and profound eyesight, they can find crops from 4 to 5 miles away. Eagles use specific techniques to gain elevation and to remain at high altitudes. They have one of the sharpest eyesight in the animal kingdom. With 20 by 5 vision and ability to see UV light, their eyesight is far better than any other species of birds of prey. Many of the vultures have bald head and throat. This is thought to be helpful for them as they feed inside dead animal bodies and may also help them to control their body temperature. Vultures have a hooked and robust beak that enables them to tear and open carcasses. They possess broad wings as compared to other bird species. Both eagles and vultures are diurnal birds, which mean they are mostly active during the daytimes. Eagles come on the top of the food chain. They have the capacity to hunt large animals including deer, monkeys, and fox. Golden eagles are carnivorous, and they mainly feed on mammals such as hares, rabbits, and ground squirrels. Bald eagles are also predatory in nature, with fish being their primary food. Vulture, however, is a carrion bird, searching for carcasses of dead animals all the time. They are scavenging predators. The eating speed of a vulture is just awe-inspiring. Can you imagine that they can devour 2 pounds of meat in just a minute? A fight between these two birds could be a real nail-biter. Characteristics and hunting skills possessed by the eagle are quite extraordinary. The eagle is an experienced hunter, taking down many large animals and birds seamlessly with its powerful talons. These talons are capable of crushing large mammal bones with ease. Their grip is more than 10 times that of a human hand. To give you a perspective, the golden and bald eagle have an estimated grip of 400 psi, while humans possess a mere 40 psi. The eagle can use its powerful talons and tremendous traits to pin down vulture, leaving it either dead or seriously injured. Additionally, with its great flying and gliding pace, the vultures won't have any place or time to escape to. Vultures, in contrast, possess innate capabilities that cannot be ignored either. They excel at spotting carcasses and uniting scavengers for the operation. Highly corrosive bacteria-killing stomach acids give vultures a high tolerance to toxins in decaying flesh. Broad wings and long primary feathers, compared with other soaring birds, enable energy-efficient gliding on even the weakest air currents. Hooked bills assist with ripping meat and tear open a carcass. Vultures have adaptations like deep grooves and backward-facing barbs for quickly gulping hefty portions of carrion in shortest time spans. Still, we cannot deny the mind-boggling hunting skills of the eagles. Their sharp eyesight, powerful talons, and mind-blowing flight speeds could be a nightmare for the vultures. Once spotted, the vulture will surely get caught by the eagle and face the music. Vultures do have their strengths, but they are futile in front of the king of the birds, the ferocious eagle. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree with me, and do not forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for the future video updates.